Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the essentials. Make sure the Charge 5 has more than 20% battery and your phone's Bluetooth and location are turned on. Next, open the Fitbit app to confirm the device is paired and that you've granted precise location access. This lets the watch request phone GPS if needed. Once done, on the watch pick an outdoor exercise, then tap the GPS icon to start the connection process so your route will be recorded accurately. You'll often need to wait a short time for the GPS lock. Look for the blue ring or ready icon on the screen, which means satellites are acquired. If the Charge 5 uses your phone's GPS, keep the phone nearby and unobstructed to improve accuracy. This reduces drift and gives better pace and distance. Once the watch shows ready, press start. Start early enough to capture neutral movement so the first minute isn't clipped from your tracked activity. When you finish, stop and save the workout on the Charge 5, then sync to the Fitbit app so you can inspect the map, splits, and pace. If the route is missing or inaccurate, first force a sync and make sure the app still has location permission and background activity allowed. These are common causes. If problems persist, restart the watch, toggle your phone's GPS, or repair the device to refresh connections and clear stale GPS sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.